Hey, what's up?
Hey man, can we get a room tour?
A room tour? Really?
Yeah.
Alright, come in. So when you're greeted with the door, essentially you'll see this nice long body mirror, and this is super nice just because you can see yourself right before heading out. Over here I got my Raptors poster. We're still hanging on to that win in 2019. Shout out to the Raptors.
Is this the dagger?
So transitioning over to the left side of the room, you got these two couches. Super nice area where like a lot of friends who would come over, they like to chill over here. Got this coffee table, I got my kettle right there, so if I need to make tea for whatever reason. You got this amazing poster right here that says set goals and go. And again, just before leaving to class or anything like that, it's super nice to kind of get that reminder. I talked about this poster in another video, but we got the Spider-Man, Miles Morales, Be Greater, Be Yourself poster that I think gives this room a nice touch. And last but not least, you got the persistence, don't give up, keep going. So kind of on that Monopoly theme that I really like. All right, so transitioning over to this side of the room. So on the ground over here, this is where I keep a lot of my shoes just to get ready to go. Then up here, I have this like map of the building that I'm in. And realistically, I don't really need it, but I just kind of like the grid and just knowing where I am with respect to the building. Over here, you got the garbage and the recycling. Again, another organizational system that works. Up here, this is actually a sticker that I've kind of like slapped onto the wall, and it says, it's my favorite 3-letter word, win. And this is just like a reminder to myself to no matter what I'm doing, like the goal is to win. And I highly encourage anyone who's also watching this, like try to transition that into your own life on, you know, whether you're doing school, whether you're applying for a job, just win. And that's something that I always like replay within my head, win, win, win. So yeah, that's just kind of why I stuck it up here. I have this poster right here. So this is a poster that we got in our first year. And what I use it for is just to show all my exam dates and midterm dates, just so I'm aware of the schedule and like dates don't just creep up on me. And I think it's a nice overall grid. It can highlight the 4 months, and that, yeah, it's dry erase as well. All right, so transitioning over to this side of the room, we have this other poster right here. You can read it for yourself, but essentially it's saying, I'm not telling you it's gonna be easy, but I'm telling you it's gonna be worth it. Again, you can kind of see the theme of my room, a lot of high performance, a lot of motivation. Over here, this is super clutch. This is a couch, nice after a long, you know, when I'm studying and I need a little, you know, quick 5-minute break. You can come here, relax, sit down, or again, if people wanna hang out, this is a nice central location to do so. Got a blanket over here as well. Then up here, I mean, you can see it yourself. I have basically all the snacks within my room, and the reason why I have a lot or so many snacks is just because when I'm going on campus and I don't want to spend money or buy food all the time, like these snacks come in clutch, especially as I'm studying at the library. So, you know, you got granola bars, you got some Welch's over there. I even have oatmeal sometimes within the morning. So again, this is like a high performance tip as well as just saving money within university, because, you know, money's gonna go quick while you're at university. Having your own snacks can be very, very helpful. Then transitioning over here, I have my mini fridge, and I've mentioned this before, but if you're in a residence that doesn't come with a fridge, and if you have the budget for a mini fridge or the space, I highly recommend getting one. So in here, I kind of keep my water, my perishable items, drinks, and it's just, again, very, very essential, very, very clutch, especially with ice and stuff like that. And last but not least, on this side of the room, I have this lion poster. This is my favorite poster within the entire room. I've talked about it before in other videos, what the lion means to me, but you'll definitely see more lions around the room and around the space. All right, so transitioning to this side of the room, we have the Sleep Guide to Wellness. Again, I talked about this poster before, something that was actually gifted to me, and I really like this poster because it just has some really good reminders on it, like talking about the importance of sleep, minimizing your caffeine intake, and then not eating too much right before bed, etc., etc. Just basic principles that are good reminders for students. Over here, we have another calendar. Now, this is just like my monthly calendar. Again, it runs on dry erase, very effective. So this is just exam season, me highlighting some of the dates. Then I have my good old printer here. So I got this fake plan over here. And yeah, just some more storage, which is really nice to have. Right here is my desk. Again, this is where I spend majority of the time throughout my day. I have some books on the top. This one is 20 Indispensable Qualities of a Leader, and just a few other books that I like to read when I do have the time. Then I have, like, you know, other storage, like my organic chemistry modeling kit, a nice little message right here, speaker, Kleenex boxes. But then this is like the main entree, the main space. So first things first, I have this chair, I have my monitor, my laptop, my iPad, which is all pretty useful and where I do most of my work. As you can see behind the desk, we do have like this LED blue light that gives this desk some more light, which is super nice. As well as I've also added this LED lights into the lamp itself. So again, right behind the monitor area, you kind of get that as well. You probably see the word discipline right here. Again, another sticker that I've added on. Again, just to remind myself, like as I'm doing work, to stay focused, be disciplined. And then up here, I didn't mention it before, but I have focused, and it's kind of nice because like while I'm doing my work and I look up to the right, if I'm ever getting distracted, which is rare, but it can happen sometimes, it says focus, like, hey, reminding, focus, get back to work. Yeah, those are the little reminders I like to use. But this is my desk. This is like probably my favorite spot or my favorite area within the room because I spend so much of my time here. And ultimately, this is where I'm making content, editing videos, responding to emails, studying for school and exams, and all the above. So, and then also I just want to touch on these posters right here. So I've shown these before in different videos, but these, again, going back to that Monopoly theme, hustle in silence, let your success be the noise, the press of success, and it talks about, you know, hard work, discipline, persistence, failure, focus, and then ideas are worthless without execution. Again, just good reminders to me as I'm working through school. So now we're entering the room and we have this poster where I can kind of customize the words. So far right now we have knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. This is something that my father told me about, something to ask God for while I'm in school. Over here, I have this like nightstand, pretty generic, nothing crazy. I have some storage in here, so my socks, clothes, and stuff like that. Then I have a clock right here, my glasses, 2 pieces of cologne, a cup of water, and then another guardian angel as I'm sleeping through the night. On here is just my bed. Pretty standard bed, but again, it gets the job done, helps me recharge the batteries and get ready for school. And then you'll see up there, I got one more poster of just another lion. Again, I've talked about in another video the significance of what the lion means to me, so you'll see it all throughout the room. I have necklaces with lions on it. Very, very important to me and my family. So over here, I just got another mirror as well. Pretty useful as I'm getting ready for school. Some more storage on the desk. And then I keep some of my hats on this nice rack that I think I got for Christmas one time. So yeah, it's pretty handy right there. And last but not least, I just have my closet with some of the clothes. All right, last but not least, this is the bathroom area to my room. So over here we have this kind of like toilet. You know what you gotta do there. You got a sink right here. And then you have the shower right here, kind of like a stand-up shower, which is pretty nice. And then last but not least, you got some storage right there. And the bathroom is really nice just to kind of have your own space to freshen up, get ready for the day, or, you know, when you're preparing to go to bed. And yeah, this is just ultimately the bathroom. So the room looks super nice in the daytime, but it can get a whole lot nicer in the night with one of my light projectors. So I'm gonna show you guys that right now. Let's go. So this is essentially the starry light projector. It gives a really nice vibe when I'm done all the work for the day and I just kind of want to relax, throw on some nice music and have some nice lights playing in the background. It comes with a bunch of different color gradients and it's super nice addition, so I highly recommend if you are interested in one. So I want to give a quick disclaimer just about this room. So just to give you guys some context, within all the residence buildings here at Western, there's the normal rooms that you'll probably see on the website, and there's a few special rooms within each building. This room that I'm actually showing you is also one of those special rooms. So chances are, if you are coming to Western and you're trying to get a room just like this, it may be difficult to get. I did want to show this room because this is my room. This is where I am living. Alrighty, YouTube, so that is gonna wrap up today's video. I really hope you enjoyed the new room tour. Our last video of us filming the room tour was actually our best video right here on this channel. So let's see if we can actually top that video. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And you know what I always say, make sure to always believe that you will achieve. My name is Miles, and I'm signing off. Woo!